Good morning. Today I'm not gonna pretend to be more happy than I am, but I am happy. We are currently at Blackwood Holiday Inn. It's a pretty nice hotel. Too bad the pool was under maintenance. But anyway, so today we have an 11-hour drive ahead of us. I'm gonna drive the DV truck. I'm gonna switch driving. I'm gonna do 3 hours. He's gonna do 2 hours. I'm gonna do 3 hours. He's gonna do 3 hours. It's gonna be a long drive, a long ass drive. But Christian's pretty much hooked us up with some ice cold Red Bull this morning.
The big ones.
So that's the way to go. Guys, it's time that we go. Hey bro, come on.
Yo, what's up guys? Shot back from the snack machine. They had flaming hot munchies. Stoked. But anyway, so we just got to Albuquerque, New Mexico. It's currently 11:07. Okay, 7-11, 11:07. Turn up. I'm just gonna show you our room real quick. Come check it out. Got an epic morning for you guys. Right? Safe mornings home. Pretty epic. They hooked it up.
Welcome.
Hello. What up, homie?
Dude, this is the sickest hotel room we've gotten so far.
Yeah, so we got a couch. We're going to be editing right there. Do some editing over there. We got our little TV. We got our bed. Got our bed. Boom. You know what I'm saying? You know what's up? Alright. It's lit. But yeah, anyway, about to crank out some mad ads for you guys. We got some super sick pictures on the way here. Hopefully you guys see him tomorrow. Some sunset action. First sunset in New Mexico was insane. I thought it was epic. What'd you think?
It was epic.
It was epic.
Dude, I want to give a shout out.
Okay, we're giving a shout out real quick.
Yeah. Shout out to the guy who watched every single vlog that we ever made.
Yo, hey, shout out to you, homie. That's a lot of vlogs. That's like 120
insane.
Something.
That's insane.
You're the MVP. Okay. Yeah, guys, you want to shout out? Just watch every vlog. Just do us a favor. Catch you later.